Just cleaning up some. This is laminate flooring. I have a special machine here that cleans this all up pretty well too. But it actually sucks up the dust and then puts down the water, scrubs it in, and then sucks up the wastewater all in one pass. And that's what I love about it. So it's super important to keep your floors cleaner now than ever before. And that's kind of where we come in. So if you need this type of service, just give us a call. We'll come in, do a free estimate for you, evaluate what you need. We can even make a maintenance schedule for you, and that way you know how often it should be cleaned for the optimal life of the flooring. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are having a great night. Me and the employees are out trying to keep up with everybody. Everybody's calling and wanting something done. So greatly appreciate all the work, everybody. All right, talk to you guys later. Remember, you can always book online at whencleancounts.com or call us 6 days a week on our business line, 814-547-1848. And Darcy will get you scheduled or schedule you for a free quote if that's what you need. So thanks for watching. See you later.